Gosh, to see the Eiffel Tower is one of my ultimate gearness dream in my whole life. And I could not believe myself that I've been seeing it a lot, many times. And if I have to name some of the most romantic cities in the world, of course, Paris must be one of them. Walking with your babe on the endless corridors of the Louvre Museum and standing on the top of the Eiffel Tower to see the whole city, you will find that very romance can be seen everywhere in Paris. Ng bonggang bongga. And don't you know that every night the Eiffel Tower sparks every hour on the hour for 5 minutes. Is it amazing, right? Oh my gosh! Kaya nga, actually guys, kung mapapadpad kayo sa Paris, kailangan talaga makikita nyo yung Eiffel Tower. O diba? I feel for you, for Eiffel Tower, ng buong Galicious. So, kailangan na don't miss the opportunity na makipag-apid-apidan sa Eiffel Tower every night para naman masaksihan nyo yung spark. Kasi nagkakaroon talaga siya ng sparkling water. ang towerness ng Eiffel Tower, ng bonggang bongga. That's why to all my friends out there, wherever you are, whatever you do, if you are planning to have a vacation someday somewhere in Europe, you should have this one in your bucket list, of course. You will find the love of city love in Parisness, of course, and I was so very grateful. And it was so fabulous experiencing to be on the top of Eiffel Tower with my babe. I could not explain my emotionness during that time. And if I would given a chance to be there all over and over and over again, I would grab the opportunity to be on the top of Eiffel Tower all over and over again because the experience was so surreal. My gosh. I was flattered during that time, and of course, it would be perfect if you're gonna go with your partner, with your loved one, with your boyfriend, with your husband, with your wife. My God, the whole experience was so great. To Niagara Falls, of course, my gosh. It's also one of my bloody dream of my gayerness to see the beauty of Niagara Falls in Canada. I don't know, maybe someday. If I'm still alive, of course, I will, I will put this one in my bucket list again. Who knows? Sabi nga nila, it's free to dream. So as long as you're still kicking, you're still alive, nothing is impossible. Even the impossible one, it could be possible at the right time. Oh, diba? Ng bonggalicious. Of course, Dubai, the United Arab Emirates, is one of the happiest moments in my gayerness life. For my 8 years in Dubai, and it's something that I could not compare with any happiness that I was there for 8 years. The whole experience was so fabulous, great. It was so awesomeness. My gosh, I wanna go back there again and again, and I wanna experience. I wanna experience it again, of course, to be with my friends there because I have a lot of friends in Dubai, in Abu Dhabi as well, in Ajman, and even in what else? In Sharjah. I have a lot of friends
Hi
there,
to
and
my
I miss
babe.
them a lot
Yes. On
so
your
very
first
badly. That's why,
birthday,
you
I
know,
prepare something special for you,
if
babe.
given a chance
It's just a friend of mine,
to
and
be
of
there
course,
again, I
we
would
would like
really
to
pursue
take
this
you on your
this dream of
birthday.
my life again
Kindly watch the
to
video, babe.
see the people of Emiratiness and Dubainess, including my friends, of course. O, diba? And actually, that was the first time that I've met my babe. Of course, it was our first meeting. It was in March of 2019. I met my babe in Dubai, and it was my very first time to be on the top of Burj Khalifa, which is Burj Khalifa is one of the tallest building in the whole world. Oh my gosh, I was feeling like I was the beautiful lady boy in the whole world during that day. Of course, my gosh, nakaka-gayerness talaga ng bonggang-bongga. For my 8 years, hindi ko talaga ini-expect at hindi ko inaasahan na maakyat ko siya ng bonggang-bongga. Kaya nga salamat talaga sa aking babe at pina-experience niya sa akin kung paano ba maging top sa taas-kataas-taasan ng Burj Khalifa. Just like the Burj Khalifa, I will spend an eternity loving my baby, showing every day that I hold you as high as the top of Burj Khalifa. Ng bonggang-bongga. May exciting moment, my gosh. Yung maka-experience sa desert safari ng Bongalicious. My gosh. My God, it was like a roller coaster. Na makipagmungguan sa mga sasakyan. My gosh. Kasi very adventurous ang aking kabaklaan ng bonggang-bongga. Gusto ko yung parang nasa pedestal lagi ako. Yung like nasa pedestal lane ako. Yung bang very risky ang aking kabaklaan. Yung matitigok na ako. Pero hindi, dahil ang ating buhay ay parang pusa. Oh, may pasyaman ng bonggang-bongga. Oh my gosh. It was also my my great experience. Though nagpunta ako ng ilang beses sa desert safari, pero that time singleness pa ako. I was loveless. So kaya nga naging meaningful para sa akin nung nakapunta ulit ako for the third time around in desert safari, having my babe Pierre in the desert safari with my cousins Lloyda and Jason. My gosh, the whole experience was bloody great as well. My gosh. Oh, di ba? Kaya kayo yung mga nasa Dubai, bago kayo kung may plan kayo mag-Europe-European, mag-working sa Europe, kailangan nyo muna i-explore ng bonggang-bongga ang UAE, lalong-lalo na sa desert safari. Sapagkat, my gosh, napaka-bongalicious niya. My God, yung experience talaga is for a lifetime. It's like a lifetime commitment. Oo, diba? Lagi mong ititreasure ng bonggang-bongga na makipag-apid-apidan doon sa mga kabayo-ness at sa mga sasakyan-ness. At syempre, sa mga Arabic-ness, ng mga Emirati-ness, ng Bongalicious. Grabe guys, na-feel ko talaga yung manhoodness ng horsiness. My gosh, mafe-feel mo talaga every inch of your sizesness. Oh my God, ng bonggang-bongga. Oh, diba? Yun ang mga panahon na talagang ikinamimiss ng aking kabaklaan. Kasi syempre kasama ko dyan ang dalawa kong pinsan. Si Jason at saka si Lloyda na namid din ang aking babe na si Pierre.
Grabe mo. Wala mura ka na ngayon,
oh, diba? Ng Bongalicious. Sila yung mga naipasok ko sa Dubai-Dubayan bago ko linayasan ng Dubai-ness. O diba, yung isa kong pinsan galing Hong Kong Ness na pinag-cruise country ko sa Dubai Ness, at saka si Jason Ness naman na sa Pilipinas nagtuturo bilang isang teacher. Ngayon maganda ng kanyang trabaho Ness sa Dubai-Dubayan Ness. Kaya talaga para sa akin, most recommended talaga sa akin ang Dubai Ness. Kasi pagdating talaga sa mga high building Ness at saka sa Burj Al Arab, Burj Khalifa at saka yung Palm Jumeirah, my gosh, magi-enjoy talaga sila ng bonggang-bongga. Kaya lagi ko yan sinasabi sa mga friendship nest ko dito sa Europe nest, sa France, na kung meron kayong opportunity na makapag-travel, isama nyo na sa bucket list nyo ang Dubai nest, sapagkat talagang may enjoy nyo ng bonggang-bongga. Lalong-lalo na ang Ocean Nest o di ba Aquarium Nest sa Dubai Mall o di ba na napakaganda. Talagang hayok talaga sa ganda ng Bongalicious. O di ba samahan pa ang Grand Mosque na pinuntahan din namin ni Pierre. At ng aking kapatid na si Lizelle na nasa Abu Dhabi. Nagpunta kami sa Grand Mosque. My gosh, talagang yung building talaga napaka sophisticated, napaka adorable, at syempre, napaka very affectionate. Synonyms ng aking kabaklaan na wala naman talagang ilulukrative ng Bongalicious. Syempre guys, yung Egyptian dance na napaka-hot na hotness talaga siya na nakikipaglaban sa apoy-apoyan. O diba? Ayan guys, kung kalinis-linisan lang naman na pag-uusapan, hindi pa huhuli dyan ang Singapore sapagkat ang Singapore is isa sa pinakamalinis sa Asia. Sa bansang Asia ang Singapore. So bawal ang kalat doon sapagkat pag nagkalat ka, abay, ikaw ay magfa-fine, o diba? Not a fining dining area, kundi fine. Hindi fine young lady. Kundi penalty ness, o diba? Kaya nga gusto kong puntahan ng Singapore para dungisan ng aking kabaklaan. Gusto ko talaga siya dungisan ng Bongalicious. Guys, pupuntahan natin ng Italy sapagkat ang Italy ay napakabanal, o diba? Gusto ko talaga makapunta sa Vatican at makapag-simba-simbahan. At syempre na rin makipag-picture-picture ng Bongalicious. Soon na yan, hopefully this year. Kapag ka-okay na ang pandemic-ness, o diba? At syempre guys, ang Slovenia talaga napakaganda talaga. When it comes sa mga beaches, talaga mapapa-beach talaga ang aking kabaklaan ng Bongalicious. Sapagkat ang Slovenia talaga, my God, napakaganda niya. Lalo na kapag winterness, ang snow-snowhan. My gosh, Bongalicious talaga siya. Mapapabongga talaga ang aking kabaklaan. Lagi naman. Ang Las Vegas, Nevada sa USA, talaga sa Vegas talaga. Pinupuntirya talaga yan ng aking kabaklaan since nung bata-bata pa ako, di ba? Dati, pinangarap ko talaga na mag-Amerika-Amerikahan sa Canada. Wala sa kabaklaan ko na mag-Europe ako kasi yun talagang pinaka-bucket list na ko talaga top priority ko ang makapunta ng USA kasi sapagkat maganda talaga naman talaga ang USA. O di ba malay natin makapag bigas-bigasan tayo next year, o di ba hindi bigas Vegas. Siyempre guys, ninanais din ng aking kabaklaan na makapagpunta sa Guam. Gusto ko makapag-Guam sapagkat gusto kong sumisid sa kailalim-laliman kasi maganda talaga ang Guam. Ang mga beaches nila doon, my God, parang nasa Ocean Park ka lang ng Pacific Ocean, ng Indiana Ocean. O di ba? Ng bonggang-bongga. Lalo na pagka sunset at saka sunrise, maganda talaga doon makipag-apid-apidan, lalo na pagkasama mo ang iyong minamahal sa buhay. O diba? Kaya isa lamang po yan sa mga huwag niyong palalampasin habang nabubuhay, habang tayo'y nasa earth. Talagang i-enjoy natin ang. At syempre guys, ang pinaka-sikat na sikat talaga, alam ko ang aking kaungguyan, ng aking pag-uugali at aking aking kagandahan ng aking kabaklaan. Syempre, nasa wildlife sa Australia. Kaya kahit wala man ako sa Australia, feel na feel ko na nasa Australia ang aking kabaklaan. O diba, someday mamimit ko rin kayo mga kangaroo ko, yung mga kamag-anakan ko dyan, yung aking mga tribes.